Hey y'all. So something that I noticed is that this world is really dirty. Okay. I've been noticing from LA to Dallas that this is a very unclean world. And I'm not saying that I'm the most cleanest y'all, but man, it's dirty. Like the grounds be dirty. People themselves, of course, are dirty. It just looks dirty and everybody looks so depressed. And I think a wonderful start to everyone's day is to simply get up and take a shower, wash their hair, brush their teeth, shave, etc. Not in that order. We all need to do this. I still need work, but I mean, that's a start to just simply take a shower, clean your house and stuff. Like cleaning products, they don't, like I've said in another video, they don't have to cost a lot of money. You could go to Dollar Tree. You could get your whole shower routine from Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend all that money. Like when you see, no offense, but like when you see them Walmart hauls and them Target hauls and all of them hygiene products, yeah, they're fun to use and they smell very good and they're more fragrance, but just simple hygiene from Dollar Tree, that can get you to a good start. And people treat you better. Once again, like I made a video, like I always make videos here and there. I make videos here and there about people treating you better once you treat yourself better. Usually, not all the time. And you force people to want to treat you better when you look better, when you do better, when you're neater. Okay? So we all basically need to perfect ourselves, okay? That's why I got in shape. Well, not in shape, got in shape, but that's why I'm working on getting in shape. That's why I'm taking care of myself. I'm trying to evolve and change and become a butterfly and help other people to see their value enough to just take care of the basics. I'm not saying that everything got to be figured out right now, because of course I don't have everything figured out. But the mere basics, like taking a shower every day, taking a bath, whatever you can do. You don't have to spend a lot of money on that. Like $10 will get you a toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, shampoo. You may not be. You could probably even get some conditioner. You could get mouthwash. You could get gum. You could get teeth floss, a tongue scraper, whatnot. But you can start with the basics, just the basics of hygiene. Okay? Because I'm looking around like, dang. And I'm somebody that likes to clean all day long. Like I know I don't have it all together. I really, really know that. But, I don't know. I've just been really, really into cleaning even more since my spiritual awakening at 26 years old. Like I've always kind of been a person that liked to bathe and kind of, like to, well, as an adult, because when I was a teenager, I didn't really care that much about my hygiene and how I looked. But as an adult, I really, really began to really pay attention to it and make it important, especially at 26 years old. That's when I really, really amped it up. Because I used to watch this one girl named Naturally Nailsy. I don't know if she still makes videos, but she was one of the reasons why I really wanted to really get deep into taking care of my hygiene and cleaning up. And that was way back in like 2015, y'all. 2014, 2015, when I was 26, turning 27. I was like, dang, I really, you know what? This girl seemed to know what she's talking about. Then from there, I used to just watch cleaning videos all the time, especially hygiene videos. And you know what, around that time, I was kind of trying to become a vegan too, because I used to get Trader Joe's food from this little place. They used to pay my rent and stuff. I used to get it from their pantry, the Trader Joe's salads and stuff, which used to be so good, and their little wraps and stuff, which I still love. And it encouraged me to want to eat cleaner and stuff like that. And actually, that little place that would help, less fortunate people, with mental illness and stuff like that, like me. They started to give out healthy things, cleaning products, and that really helped me to organize my cleaning items. Like they gave out a free bucket of cleaning hygiene products one time, during like a game, a raffle or something like that, and we won hygiene products in like a container, like a simple dollar container from not the 99 cents. You could have got it there too, but the Dollar Tree, or wherever they got them from. I don't know where they got them containers from, but you could find them at Dollar Tree, and you could find them at the 99 cent store before it closed down. But those containers filled with all them hygiene products, like really, really even amplified the fact that I think I got those before I saw Naturally Nailsy, but I was very happy about them. And I started to really want to focus on my hygiene and even my internal hygiene and health. So that has led me to this point too, somewhere where I'm like, okay, y'all, the video cut off. But anyway, I'm just basically talking about hygiene. It's not really a, detailed video. I'm just talking off of my head. But anyway, so basically that's my video for right now. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share my video, hit the notification bell if you like, comment, and I will see y'all in another video. My lotus flowers and my upcoming lotus flowers. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and I will see you in another one. Peace, I'm out. By the way, this is my last video for today. Bye bye, y'all. Peace, I'm out.